Add better than real grass we supply and install the best quality artificial grass to match your needs. From sports pitches to residential gardens and putting greens, we have a wealth of experience in the field. Synthetic grass is low maintenance and requires very little upkeep to stay green all year round. Also, artificial turf is a great option if you have kids and pets who like to play outside on your lawn every day. Plus, since synthetic grass doesn't need to be watered, mowed or fertilized, your maintenance fees can be greatly reduced because you won't need a service that comes around once a week to get the job done for you. If you're just looking for smaller products for a personal project, such as your garden, you can check out our inventory of artificial grass products. Are you a wholesaler? Take a look at our wholesale options or just order some samples delivered to your door. Artificial turf is provided to contractors and homeowners for all types of projects, regardless of the scale. Contact us for more information.